The match table grid question type is the most efficient way to ask a series of multiple choice or multi-select questions with the same possible answer choices. It consists of a table with rows representing the questions and columns representing the possible answers. Each cell in the table represents a match between the corresponding row and column. To add this question type to your activity, start by drawing a box where you would like for it to be located. From the pop-up menu that appears, choose Match Table Grid. A preview of your Match Table Grid will pop up, allowing you to fill it out. You can start by labeling your rows with each of your possible answer choices. In this case, I'm going to ask my students to categorize different words into nouns and verbs. And then you can label each of your rows with your questions. So I'm going to put girl and walk. You can add more columns and rows by using these plus signs, or you can get rid of them by using these X signs. You can set the correct answers by clicking on the bubble that connects the questions with the answers. So girl, I'm going to make a noun, and walk, I'm going to say is a verb. On this screen, you also have the option to decide how many points this question will be worth. Each match table grid can be worth anywhere from 1 to 10 points, or you cannot score it. Students will need to get all of the matches correct in order to get this question correct. And then you can choose what size you want your font to be. This checkbox allows you to have multiple correct answers per row, so depending on the question you're asking, you can check this box. And then you can choose to keep all of the columns the same size for formatting reasons. Hit save when you're done. TeacherMade will add the match table grid to your activity, but you will need to use these blue boxes to make sure that all of your questions and answers are shown. And then once you're happy with that, you can come up here to the menu bar and decide what color your border will be, what size your text will be, if the box will be transparent, and again, how many points it will be worth. If we preview what your students will see, they will see that match table grid and they can quickly go through and answer the question. If your PDF that you uploaded doesn't already have the instructions for this question on it, just use the TeacherText tool to add your own instructions. And that's how you add the match table grid question type to your activities.